Earth Natural Disasters. This is brought to you by Social Schooler. Let's start. Lesson outcomes. Students should be able to identify and describe different types of natural disasters, demonstrate knowledge or safety measures and preparedness for natural disasters, understand the impact of natural disasters on human lives and the environment. Natural disasters. Natural disasters refer to the extreme and catastrophic events caused by natural processes or forces, resulting in significant damage, destruction, and loss of life. These events occur without human intervention and can have severe impacts on the environment, infrastructure, and communities. Hurricane. Hurricane is a large, powerful, and rotating storm system characterized by strong winds and intense rainfall. It is a tropical cyclone that forms over warm ocean waters. Hurricanes are known by different names in different regions. For example, in the Western Pacific, they are called typhoons, while in the Indian Ocean, they are referred to as cyclones. What to do? Listen to a local news and weather updates for information about the hurricane's path, intensity, and any evacuation orders or warnings. If authorities issue an evacuation order, follow it promptly. Prepare a go bag with essential items and important documents to take with you. Stay indoors and away from windows during the storm. Seek shelter in a small windowless interior room on the lowest level of your home. Have emergency supplies ready, including non-perishable food, water, flashlights, batteries, a first aid kit, and a battery-operated radio. Flood. A flood is a natural disaster that occurs when an area becomes inundated with an excessive amount of water, typically due to heavy rainfall, snowmelt, or the overflow rivers, lakes, or coastal areas. Floods can be slow developing, lasting for days, even weeks, or they can rapid and intense, known as flash floods. What to do? Move to higher ground if you are in a low-lying area, or if flood waters are rising. Head to higher elevation where you can stay safe. Have emergency supplies ready, including non-perishable food, water, flashlight, batteries, a first aid kit, and battery-operated radio. Follow instructions and guidance provided by local authorities, including evacuation routes or shelter locations. Listen to local news and weather updates for information about the flood situation, evacuation orders, and safety advisories. Eruption. A volcanic eruption is a natural phenomenon in which molten rocks, gas, and other materials are ejected from a volcano's vent or fissure onto the Earth's surface or into the atmosphere. Volcanic eruptions are a result of the buildup of pressure within the Earth's crust, often associated with the movement of tectonic plates. What to do? Listen to local news authorities and volcanic monitoring agencies for updates on the volcanic activity and any warning of evacuation orders. Stay indoors if possible to avoid exposure to volcanic ash, gases, and other hazardous materials. Avoid rivers and low-lying areas that can be prone to lahars or volcanic mudflows caused by the melting of the volcanic ice and snow. Listen for the heat warnings of pyroclastic flows, fast-moving hot ash, and debris clouds that can travel down the volcano slopes. Earthquake. An earthquake is a sudden and violent shaking of the Earth's surface caused by the movement of tectonic plates beneath the Earth's crust. It is a natural phenomenon resulting from the release of accumulated stress along fault lines. Earthquakes can occur along plate boundaries where tectonic plates interact or within the interior of tectonic plates. What to do? Be prepared for the aftershocks and continue to follow the drop, cover, and hold on technique. If you are indoors, stay there. Avoid running outside during the shaking as falling debris or broken glass may pose a risk. Stay informed about the latest updates and information from local authorities regarding the earthquake and potential aftershocks. Keep away from potential hazards such as tall furniture, bookshelves, or cabinets that could topple over. Landslide. A landslide refers to the downward movement of mass of soil, rocks, or debris along a slope. It is geological phenomenon that can occur due to various factors such as gravity, heavy rainfall, earthquakes, volcanic activity, or human activities. Landslide can cause significant damage to infrastructure and pose risks to human lives and environment. What to do? Stay informed by monitoring local news, weather updates, and any warnings or evacuation orders issued by the local authorities. If you are in the area prone to landslide or if authorities issues an evacuation order, leave the area immediately. If evacuation is not possible, seek shelter in a stable building or a structure on higher ground. Avoid riverbanks and areas near water bodies that can be susceptible to erosion during a landslide. Tsunami. A tsunami is a series of ocean waves triggered by the significant disturbance, usually associated with underwater earthquakes, volcanic eruption, or landslide. Tsunamis can travel across vast distances across the ocean and cause devastating damage and loss of life when they reach coastal areas. What to do? Listen to local news, weather updates, and tsunami warnings issued by the authorities to stay informed about the situation. If you are in a coastal area or authorities issues tsunami warning or evacuation order, leave immediately and move to higher ground or inland. Move to higher ground quickly as possible. Aim for a location that is at least 30 meters or 100 feet above sea level. After reaching higher ground, continue to monitor local news, radio, or emergency communication channels for updates. Tornado. A tornado is a violent and rapidly rotating column of air that is contact with both the surface of Earth and the cumulonimbus cloud or thunderstorm cloud. Tornadoes are characterized by a funnel-shaped cloud extending downward from the thunderstorm, often accompanied by a visible condensation funnel or debris cloud. What to do? Move the small windowless and start the interior room on the lowest level of your home, such as basement or storm cellar. Regularly practice tornado drills with your family or classmates to ensure everyone knows what to do during tornado. Listen to local weather updates and warnings through battery-operated weather radio or smartphone application. Cover your head and neck with your arms or sturdy object to protect against flying debris. Drought. Drought is a prolonged period of abnormally low precipitation resulting in a shortage of water supply that significantly impacts ecosystem, agriculture, and human activities. It is a natural disaster that can occur when various regions around the world, leading to significant socioeconomic and environmental consequences. What to do? Use water sparingly and avoid wastage. Turn off faucet, tightly to prevent dripping, fix any leaks promptly, and only use the water when you need. Consider collecting the reusing water for non-potable purposes, such as watering plants or cleaning. Water plants and gardens during cooler hours to minimize evaporation and use mulch to retain moisture in the soil. Educate yourself and others about the importance of water conservation during drought. Being ready is our secret power, guiding us through tough times with courage. Resources page. Thank you so much for watching our video today. I hope to see you soon. And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Bye-bye.